My name is LaraOostveen and my project is called Harvest Yourself. We humans are polluters of the earth, but still will hold on to this concept of waste as if it's almost a holy thing. We consume and are often too busy living our consuming lives to notice the pollution we create, to notice how the earth is suffering the consequences of our polluting lifestyles. In my vision of the future, we have reached consciousness about our waste, but since we are obviously not there yet, I have been working on a project that will make it a bit more manageable to be more conscious about the way we will handle waste. We will use plant matters to create more sustainable alternatives for the very polluting chemicals we use in photography. But those poor plants. Only because we humans feel as if we have the ownership of the plant and we are above the plants, we will use the plants to fix the problems we create. The innocent plants that are already trying to cleanse the air we pollute. But what will we do when we have overpopulated the earth and we figure out that we cannot keep killing the plants for our own good? Maybe then we will find that we have to start harvesting ourselves instead of the plants. That is how I got to the point of creating a light-sensitive emulsion with menstrual blood. Menstrual blood is often seen as a waste product, but in my project it is the key ingredient of the technique I call robigotype. The technique is based on the technique of cyanotype, but just a little altered so that it will turn rusty orange instead of blue. The process is also slower than cyanotype and, well, compared to digital photography or even analog photography, it is maybe as slow as a very old snail. I think everything nowadays feels like it has to be fast. Our lives are fast, our trends are fast, our fashion is fast. But maybe if we can make these processes a little slower, a bit more delicate, maybe then we will appreciate these techniques, and in this case photography, for a longer period of time. And I have made different types of photograms made with my robigotype emulsion on recycled paper and with materials I have found in my trash can that I use to make a composition. Right now I'm also still working on creating a camera made from trash, and the camera will expose the robigotype emulsion directly. That way I can create pictures more like the pictures we know with the robigotype emulsion, and it will accentuate the lengthiness of the process. I think it will make clear that in order to be more sustainable with things, you sometimes have to take a little bit more time, and I think that will be usually the more sustainable option, to take a little bit more time and think about the steps you are taking in processes like this.